In December 1583, the merchant ship Anne Francis was on its return voyage from Spain. The ship was heading back to King's Lynn, which it had left around 12 weeks earlier. Instead, it was wrecked at Margam Beach. So, what went wrong? The Anne Francis was travelling during winter, and the stormy weather likely blew the ship many miles off course. We know that the ship had navigational charts on board because these navigational dividers were found at the wreck site. They were used to measure distances on maps and charts. However, it's likely that the crew had no idea where they were. Overcast skies meant they would not have been able to see the sun and figure out how far north they were. The ship probably possessed other items of common navigational equipment too. Astrolabes were a piece of equipment originally developed by Arabic astronomers. This astrolabe in our collection was made by Dia al-Din Muhammad in the 1650s. Astrolabes could be used on ships to measure the distance between the horizon and the sun or stars. This would help the ship to determine its latitude, that is, how far north or south it was. We don't know if the Anne Francis had an astrolabe on board, we have no record of it, but with cloudy skies above, it wouldn't have helped. We do know the Anne Francis had other navigational equipment, like these sounding leads that were found at the wreck site. Sounding leads can measure depth and the makeup of the seabed in shallower waters. Unfortunately, by the time the crew of the Anne Francis realised they were in shallow waters, it was too late. In King's Lynn, many people lost family members in the wreck of the Anne Francis. An older local woman called Mother Gabley became the victim of their grief. She was accused of having caused the storm by boiling a pail of eggs and convicted of witchcraft.